Can I use my spouse's criminally bad taste in music as a basis for divorce? Do I have to dig through my spouse's browser history just to find that perfect reason to get a divorce? Do I actually need a legal reason or some kind of justification to get a divorce? Hi, I'm Sergio Cabanas, managing attorney of the divorce and mediation law firm right here in South Florida. Today's question is, do I really need some type of a legal reason or legal justification to file a divorce? Well, historically, there was a time in this country and in many other countries around the world when a person had to prove some type of legally acceptable justification for a divorce. For example, adultery, abandonment, or that the woman wasn't capable of giving birth. Maybe some type of mental illness and cruelty. In other words, you had to prove some type of legal fault in order to obtain a divorce. In Florida, this is no longer the case. Under Florida law, all you have to do is declare that the marriage is irretrievably broken in your opinion. You don't even have to prove that. That means that in your sole and absolute opinion, you believe that the marriage is not capable of repair or not capable of reconciliation. So how do you make this declaration? All you have to do is put it in the paperwork for a divorce. This is now known as a no-fault divorce, which means that you don't have to prove that your spouse did something wrong, or you don't have to prove the legal justification in order to obtain a divorce. That's no longer necessary. So, to answer the question, you or your spouse can simply wake up one morning and decide he or she doesn't like the color of the slippers being worn that day and get a divorce. If you need help with your divorce or any other type of family matter and you live in the South Florida area, simply contact us today for your free case evaluation. Get in touch with us today through the links in the description below. I hope this short video answers your question about no-fault divorce right here in South Florida. Thank you again for joining us today, and as always, stay informed so you can stay strong.